Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're keeping fine and safe in this pandemic situation and your exam preparations are going on fine. You are eagerly waiting for the job notifications to be out so that you can apply for the job and you can get into your dream job as per the notification. So in this video we will discuss about the job notification, that is TMC Recruitment 2021 for statistician, clinical trial coordinator and other posts which is applicable, which is the notification is given at tmc.gov.in. So TMC has invited applicants for senior and junior statistician and other posts in its official website. You can click there and log into the details and know about it. So Tata Medical Centre TMC Recruitment 2021 has invited applicants, which is online, for senior and junior statistician, clinical trial coordinator, senior and other posts. Interested and eligible candidates can send their application for these posts on or before 30th June 2021. Candidates with certain educational qualification, including BSc Statistics with first class or graduation in science with additional eligibility as mentioned in the notification in the official website, can apply for Tata Memorial Centre TMC Recruitment 2021. Now talking about the job summary notification. The job summary TMC Recruitment 2021 for statistician, clinical trial coordinator and other posts are open at tmc.gov.in. Notification date is 24th June 2021 and the last date for submission is 30th June 2021. The city will be Mumbai, state Maharashtra, and country will be India. The organization name is TMC, that is Tata Medical Centre. Educational qualification required is postgraduate, graduate and others. Functional area will be other functional areas. Now the candidates who are willing to apply for Tata Memorial Centre TMC recruitment can go through this video for application process, age limit, post-wise application, qualification, experience, selection criteria, how to apply, etc. in this video here. Now talking about the notification details for TMC Recruitment 2021 notification. The advertisement number is 73/2021 and 74/2021. The important date for TMC Recruitment 2021 notification. The last date for the submission of online application is 30th June 2021. The vacancy details for TMC Recruitment 2021 notification. Statistician, that is junior. Statistician, senior. Clinical Trial Coordinator Junior, Clinical Trial Coordinator Senior. Now coming to the eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria for TMC Recruitment 2021 notification, coming to the educational qualification. For Statistician Junior, BSc Statistics with first class and minimum 1 year of experience is required or mandatory. Statistician Senior, BSc Statistics with minimum 4 years experience is mandatory. Clinical Trial Coordinator for Junior, graduation in science, maybe example B Farm or Life Science, Biotech, Zoology, Botany, etc. with PG diploma in clinical research is mandatory. Now coming to Clinical Trial Coordinator Senior, post-graduation in science, example M-Pharm, Life Science, Biotech, Zoology, Botany, etc. with PG diploma in clinical research is mandatory. Now, talking about the remuneration for TMC Recruitment 2021 notification, Statistician Junior starting range is 21,100 per month. Statistician Senior starting will be 34,000 per month. Clinical Trial Coordinator Junior, the starting range is 22,000 per month. Clinical Trial Coordinator Senior, the starting range is 23,000 per month. This is about the salary. Now coming to how to apply for TMC Recruitment 2021 notification. Interested and eligible candidates can apply for Tata Memorial Centre TMC Recruitment 2021 on or before 30th June 2021. You can check the notification link for details in this regard. Now I will give you the general conditions for such notification. Firstly, I told you about the last date. The last date for online notification is 30th June 2021 up to 5:30 p.m. That is as per the Indian Standard Time. The next is candidates or the applicants must send in their candidature through online application only and no other forms will be applicable. The next is candidates will be initially screened and called for interview on the basis of information provided by them in the online application form. Next, coming to incomplete candidature or incomplete applications will be summarily rejected. Next, candidates who would be called for interview are required to carry online application form, the original documents that is mentioned by them, along with one set of copy in support of the details furnished in the online application form regarding date of birth, qualifications, experience, caste, disability certificate, etc. Failing which, such applications or applicants will not be allowed to appear for the interview. The next is Tata Memorial Centre reserves the right to restrict the number of candidates called for the interview to a reasonable limit on the basis of qualification and experience of the applicants. Mere fulfilling the prescribed qualifications will not entitle an applicant to be called for the interview. In case it is found at any stage of recruitment that the candidate does not fulfill the eligibility criteria and or the candidate has furnished any incorrect or false or incomplete information or has suppressed any material fact or facts from his or her candidature, then it will be cancelled. If any shortcoming is detected, even after appointment to the services of the candidate are liable to be terminated forthwith. Therefore, before applying for any post, the candidate should ensure that he or she fulfills all the eligibility criteria under the norms mentioned in the given advertisement. Tata Memorial Centre also reserves the right not to call any candidates to appear for interview without assigning any reason thereof. This will be completely as per their decision. And in this situation, they are solely likely to do so as per the notification given. Candidates may be offered a lower grade than what is advertised based on their working experience, research, track record, and overall assessment at the time of interview and recommendation of the selection committee. Thirdly, candidates or the applicants with no experience are required to fill the column of the experience as fresher. Next, Tata Memorial Centre TMC does not take any responsibility for non-receipt of application through online. So you have to definitely submit your application through online mode only. Next, all the outstation candidates are required to make a note that accommodation will not be provided in such a situation. The applicant must possess valid email ID. All correspondence with the applicant will be done through email only. So, information regarding the date of interview will be provided through email to the eligible candidates only. Responsibility of receiving, downloading, and printing of the related documents and the application form will be of the candidates. Tata Memorial Centre TMC will not be responsible for any loss of email sent due to invalidity, wrong email ID provided by the candidate, or delivery of emails to spam or bulk mail folder, etc. For further enquiry, you can kindly contact the number 241-77000 or 4666 or 7129. For such a situation, that is in this pandemic situation, they have given some extra provisions. That is, if it is possible, you should be vaccinated. If you are vaccinated, you have to show the vaccination details to the institute, and also you have to show your positive negative certificate. That is, if you are COVID positive or if you are COVID negative. If you are not COVID negative, they will not be allowing you for the interview, or if there are provisions, they will ask you to allow separately, or there are different provisions to it. So you have to provide your COVID positive negative certificate for such an interview which is being conducted directly. So I have given you all the information in this video. All the information is clearly given. So this, TMC, Tata Memorial Centre, is a very coveted job position, and they are releasing their notifications out. So time is very less. If you think you are eligible, then definitely you should apply for it before the notification closes, and therefore you can apply for the job, for your dream job. So all the best for your career ahead. Keep watching such videos. I will also give you other important notifications if they are out. So keep watching. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, and stay happy. Thank you.